Good morning, traders. Good morning, traders. Today we want to discuss how to combine the stochastic pattern and double bottom chart pattern. How to combine stochastic patterns and double bottom chart pattern. All right, it's very simple. It's also very powerful. I would like to recommend to all traders to watch the full length of this tutorial so they may understand everything about how to combine stochastic patterns and double bottom chart pattern. This is part 1. Okay, so I will be recording part 2 and also part 3, and I recommend to traders to watch part 1, part 2 and part 3. In order to achieve a consistent winning trade in the financial market, one must follow the trading drill. It's very simple. Traders that have been following that for some time already know the trading drill. First, look for a trading setup, a valid trading setup. Then go to a higher time frame to validate the trading setup. Third step, implement a top-down trading method or a multiple time frame trading method to enter the trade. And fourth, do not violate the trading a triangle. This is about the trading a drill. Those are the correct steps that one must follow if one is day trading, swing trading, okay, or position trading in the financial market. The stochastic patterns reveal to traders 13 specific stochastic pattern. The 24SP trading material revealed to traders 13 specific stochastic pattern. But those 13 specific stochastic pattern are essential stochastic pattern that one must know. However, there are other stochastic pattern, and today I want to talk about one of those other stochastic pattern that will help traders to find high probability trading setup. Without a high probability trading setup, there is no valid signal and there is no valid entry. The first thing that we must find is the high probability trading setup. All right, so what we are discussing here, talking about how to combine the stochastic pattern and a double bottom chart pattern. It is about a specific high probability trading setup that one must know if one is day trading, swing trading, position trading, and even scalping. Let's get started. So we are looking for a double bottom chart pattern. So we want a stochastic indicator 833. One more thing I want to clarify to traders. Attention, please. When we are talking about stochastic patterns, we must use the stochastic 833. The setting is 833. Do not use any other setting for the stochastic patterns or for the stochastic oscillator if you are using stochastic pattern. Setting 833 only. So we can see that the stochastic 833 has formed a double bottom chart pattern on a daily chart of the Dow Jones Index. Pay attention, please. So here it is. This is how we want it. We don't want the neckline of this double bottom pattern of the stochastic pattern to go into the overbought zone. So the neckline, this is the neckline for the neckline is here. Okay, this is what I call the knot or the neckline of the double bottom chart pattern. So when the stochastic is forming the double bottom chart pattern, we do not want the neckline to reach the overbought zone. However, sometimes you may notice that the neckline may reach the overbought zone. If you decided to trade it, you need to be very, very careful. I'm going to show you one example here that has been formed. You can see here, if you look here, the neckline of this double bottom stochastic pattern has reached the overbought zone. If we decided to trade this one, we need to be a little bit careful. All right? It makes sense? So here we are. Let's start with the normal double bottom stochastic pattern where the neckline did not reach the overbought zone. This is one here. What I want you to do, once you see the stochastic has formed a beautiful, gorgeous double bottom chart pattern like this, I want you to highlight the support level. Which one? Okay, hold on, please. want to remove some of the spot on my chart very fast. All right. So when it's stochastic form a double bottom chart pattern, is highlighting a support level. Here, where is that support level? We look at the chart itself. Is this one here. So the corresponding double bottom chart pattern, the price double bottom chart pattern to that stochastic pattern is this one here. Though you may see that this low here where my cursor is, okay, is a little bit higher than this low here, but it's still a valid double bottom chart pattern. Can you see? There was a low followed by a lower low, but the price quickly returned back above this prior low. So it is a double bottom chart pattern. All right. So when the price form a low and a lower low, but the price returned back above the prior low, it is also a double bottom chart pattern where the second low is a little bit lower than the first low, but it's still a double bottom chart pattern. So the stochastic has formed a double bottom chart pattern, and the price has formed also a double bottom chart pattern. Okay, here it is. We want to highlight the support level. The support level is the line here, which I'm going to color now into orange. So one more thing. When you see that the price has formed a double bottom chart pattern like this, where the second low is a bit lower than the first one, we want to highlight the first low. So we will not put that support level here at the lowest low, but we will put it at the first low. All right? So if form a double bottom chart pattern, the support level that the stochastic is highlighting to us is the first support level, that is the higher low. So this is the level that we are watching. In order to have that setup, trading setup that we are looking for, we are waiting for the price to retest that support level, which one? The orange line. So the stochastic, first condition, the stochastic has formed a double bottom chart pattern, and the price also has formed a double bottom chart pattern. Okay? The next step, we draw the support level, which is the orange line, and the third step is to wait for the price to retest that support level, to come near that support level. You see, it touch it here, it also touch it here. All right. So when the stochastic form a double bottom chart pattern, and the price also form a double bottom chart pattern like this, where we highlight the support level, and we wait for the price to retest that support level. So as the price is retesting that support level, we will be looking for opportunity to buy the financial instrument at this point in time using what? A top-down trading method or a multiple time frame trading method. So one thing that we can do is to draw the common central line here that pushes the price to retest the support level. So here you push it back to retest the support level. This is the common central line. Now the price breaks above that support level with a bullish candle. We draw a line at the high of that candlestick bar that pierces through the common central line. And then we give priority to bullish signal above that high and priority to bearish signal below that level. Now, it is a little bit for new traders. All I will say to you is that when the stochastic form a double bottom chart pattern, and the price is also forming a double bottom chart pattern like this, we highlight the support level, and if the price retests that support level, we will use a top-down trading method, okay, to buy the financial instrument in the vicinity of that support level. Remember that it is essential that one uses a multiple time frame trading method to enter the trade at the time when the price is retesting that support level. Without the multiple time frame trading method, one can quickly find challenges. Okay, if you look here, you can see that the price retested here. The same thing we will do, price retesting the same support level. So we have the setup in place. Stochastic form a double bottom chart pattern. Price also form a double bottom chart pattern. We highlight the support level. You retest it here. We implement a top-down trading method to take it up. Here again, it came back to retest the same support level. We will implement a top-down trading method to buy it. So here was successful trade. Here again, successful trade. Third time, he retested here. But as you can see, as he was retesting, he didn't find the support and continued to go down. This is why we must use a top-down trading method or a multiple time frame trading method at the time when the price is retesting that support level. This will allow us to avoid losing trade. Use multiple time frame trading window when the price is retesting that support level. All right. So for a TSTW24 trader, so we see like this stochastic form a double bottom chart pattern. Price also form a double bottom chart pattern. Now we draw the support level. Okay, here it is. Price retesting here. As a day trader using a TSTW24 trading system, we will go to the first best time frame looking for bullish signal. Sometimes, as you can see, after it pierced through the common central line, the price came back again down near that support level. So we want to buy near that support level. Using the TSTW24, we will go to the first best time frame looking for bullish trade. Sometime we can buy for many days. You can see here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days we can buy. You see here using the TSTW24 trading system, giving priority to bullish signal above that support level. One more thing, when we see the pattern being completed, we draw the support level. We give priority to bullish signal above that support level and priority to bearish signal below that support level. I hope you understand what I've said now. The reason is we are giving priority to bullish signal above using a top-down trading method. But if the price pierces through, break through below, when below that support level, and confirm that support level as a resistance level, well, we will instead buy, we will sell the financial instrument below that support level. That was the case here. So you push it back to retest here. We are ready to buy. If you receive a buy signal, we will take it out. But if it did below it, a final resistance, we will sell it down. So bullish signal above and bearish signal below it. All right, it makes sense? By the way, if you have any questions or suggestions, do not hesitate to put your comment or question in the comment section. And in due course, I will be busy recording another video to answer or to clarify your questions. Okay? All right? So we see it here. Okay? It makes sense? Okay, there is one more example here. Okay, look carefully. Look on your chart for new trader. It may take some time before you master this tool. So here again, you can see that the stochastic has formed a double bottom chart pattern. But in this case, you can see that the nut or the neckline has reached the overbought zone. Here it is. This is the neckline. It has reached the overbought zone. So this is not a perfect double bottom stochastic pattern. Okay, but suppose, which I do sometimes, okay, suppose we want to give it a chance. So you will see sometimes the price will do, the stochastic will go all the way to the overbought zone. So we know that this is not a perfect double bottom stochastic pattern, okay, but we want to trade it. So in that case, we will be very, very careful, okay. So we know that this is not a perfect one, okay? So we put a big question mark on this stochastic double bottom chart pattern. Now we pay attention to the price, what the price has done. We want the price also to confirm the double bottom chart pattern, yes or no. So here it is. This is the first support level, the first low of the double bottom chart pattern. And this is the second low. Is it clear? We have a low and a lower low. But if the price returns back above the prior low, it is a double bottom chart pattern, which I've already explained to you. So we have a low and a lower low. But if the price returns back above the prior low, it is a double bottom chart pattern where the second low is lower than the first low. So here, after this candle here is closed, this one here is closed above the prior low, we can say now we have a double bottom chart pattern. We cannot say that we have a double bottom chart pattern when the price is still here below the prior low. The only time that we can declare that this pattern is a double bottom chart pattern is only when the price returns back above or close, most importantly, close above the prior low. So as this candle here on the daily chart is closed above the prior low, we have a double bottom chart pattern. Yes or no? Now, what do we need to do? We need to highlight, okay, the support level. Which one? So because this low is the higher low, we will highlight the higher low for that support level. Here it is. That's the support level for this stochastic double bottom chart pattern. So what are we looking for? We want the price to come back and retest that support level or to come near that support level. Here it is. It did not touch it. You can see that it pulls back a bit near that support level. Will you agree? If you disagree, that's fine. So it came a bit close to that support level. You need to be careful. If it does not touch it properly, always be very, very careful. So here we have two warnings. The first warning is that we do not have a perfect double bottom stochastic pattern because the neckline has reached the overbought zone. The next thing is that when he was trying to retest that, when the price was trying to retest that support level, it did not come to test it, to retest it properly. So we need to, okay, all right, have the warning, okay, sound on, okay, ping, 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 to tell us that, okay, it's not perfect, but we want to engage in this trade. So therefore, we need to be very, very prudent, cautious, okay, and handle it like a pro. In any case, we will use what? A multiple time frame trading method. And here it is, he ran away. So now that is beautiful. So this is what I was told when I started trading first. They said to me, know your setups and trade your setup. So this is one setup that I want you to know. But if you are new to this setup, okay, take few days, few weeks, learn, master it, practice with a demo account, all right, exercise your muscle, your intellectual muscles, until you master it. Once you understand it, you know how to trade it, which I'm explaining to you now, then it becomes your trading setup. Now you know your trading setup, you will be looking for your trading setup, and you will be trading your trading setup to achieve consistent winning trade in the financial market. If, for instance, you are using the TSTWSY S008 trading system, and you see this trading setup like this, say cautious, okay, then you will use, because we're on the daily chart, we see the setup on the daily chart, so the setup is taking place when the price is retesting that support level, yes or no. Okay, now what do we need to do? As a TSTWSY S008 trader, we go wait for the signal on the signal time frame. Signal is fired, we use the TSTW key 02 to enter the trade. If the signal fell, we come out without blinking. All right. So one more thing, there's one more here. You see here, there's one here. The stochastic have formed again a double bottom chart pattern. Here it is. But again, one more time, we see that the neckline of the double bottom chart pattern, the stochastic, has reached, okay, the overbought zone. So we will put a big question mark on this double bottom stochastic pattern. Yes or no? Now, what are we looking for? We want the price also to confirm, okay, the double bottom chart pattern. So the first low will correspond, the price double bottom will correspond. So first low, if you put a vertical line there, so we must align this low to this low here. We must align this low here to the stochastic low here. And the second low will be corresponding to the stochastic, this one here. We have again another situation where the stochastic, when the price has formed a low and a lower low. Do we have yet, okay, a double bottom chart pattern? Not yet. Why? Because the price did not yet close above. It didn't close. See here, it closed on it. Let me color it now in a different color so you can see it. Turquoise. That's a turquoise, and that's our new support level. So here we have a double bottom stochastic pattern, which is not a perfect one. It's not a gorgeous double bottom chart pattern, because the stochastic, the neckline of the stochastic double bottom chart pattern has reached the overbought zone. Yes or no? So we will be very, very cautious. Now we highlight the low. So if you are looking for the double bottom chart pattern for the price itself, you must correspond one low of the price to the low of the stochastic. And the second low will correspond to the second low of the stochastic, yes or no. So we have a low and a lower low. But we do not have yet a double bottom chart pattern, because the price did not close above, okay, the prior low. All right, because I use the closing price here. You can see I use the closing price here instead of the tail of those candles. I use the closing price. Okay, did not close above that support level. If next week the price return back above this low, above this support level, which is the turquoise line at 18389, then we will say that, okay, we have, okay, a double bottom stochastic pattern that is corresponding to a double bottom chart pattern on the chart itself, which is the price action here. Then we will wait for the price to rally up above our support level 18389, and then if he retest that support level, we have, okay, a bullish trading setup. So we want it to break above 18389 and to pull back and to retest 18389. If that is taking place, then we will implement a top-down trading method to trade it. I need to mention to traders that when one is using this particular stochastic pattern, all right, there are different variations for the double bottom stochastic pattern. That's why I'm calling the first part 1. In part 2, I will be explaining to you another type of double bottom stochastic pattern, okay, that you need to know. In order to achieve consistent winning trade, one must know one's trading setup and one should trade one's trading setup. All right. So see you in the second video when I will be talking about a different type of double bottom stochastic pattern and how to trade it like a pro. I hope you have learned something from this video also, and we put into use, okay, to make excellent day trading, swing trading, and position trading decisions. The first thing we are looking for is a trading setup. Then we validate the trading setup. Then we implement a top-down trading method without violating the trading triangle. The stochastic patterns allow us to identify high probability trading setup. When we recognize a valid high probability trading setup, we will implement a top-down trading method to trade it. We wish you the very best in your trading, and until the next time, enjoy yourself and be very happy. We are the TSTW 24 traders talking about how to combine stochastic pattern and double bottom chart pattern, part 1. See you in part 2.